Welcome back to the Neurosymbolic channel. Good to see you again. So today we have a very special announcement, and that is I am helping to co-organize the second workshop on hybrid artificial intelligence and enterprise modeling that will be held this summer in Cyprus in conjunction with a large conference called CASE. And the whole idea here is that hybrid intelligence is basically the combination of sub-symbolic and symbolic AI. And so neurosymbolic approaches fall squarely into this purview. In fact, I would even argue that this is becoming the preeminent approach. And while we have a great deal of success with these more perceptual neural models, really to get to deliver value, especially in the context of the enterprise, it ultimately has to be combined with some kind of domain knowledge. And if we think about it, especially when creating enterprise systems, there has to be kind of this, technical competence about things such as the underlying perceptual model. But at the same time, you also have to have domain-specific knowledge about how that model is being employed. And so we're really excited to announce this workshop and open up our call for papers. The workshop again will take place on June 3rd of 2024. The deadline for submission is February 26th, and authors will be notified about a month later. Now, the proceedings will be published in lecture notes in business information processing, and there will also be an associated special issue in the Neurosymbolic AI journal published by iOS Press. And so if you get a chance, check out the link in the description for the call for papers, and I'll just show you quickly in the screen share. So the site looks like this, the second hybrid workshop. And so here are the objectives and topics. So you see, neurosymbolic reasoning and learning is at the top of the list, as is other things like knowledge graphs with LLMs and other hybrid approaches. We are looking to set up a panel. So if you're someone who feels you're an expert in this field, feel free to reach out to me in response to this video. But we also have already lined up a few really great panelists for this discussion. And again, the dates, looking at submission in late February. And here is the information about the submission requirements. So really looking forward to seeing your submissions to this conference, and I hope to see you in Cyprus this summer. Should be a good time. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for more content.